Good morning po from Cherry Hill, New Jersey. Alas 10 o'clock ng umaga. Maaraw pero malamig. So after wearing layers of clothes, at least may araw, hindi siya dark, hindi siya cloudy. So I decided na start to clean up. Kahit mag-umpisa lang tayo dito sa herb garden ko. So this year, since aalis ako, pabalik ako ng Pilipinas. Yo, malamig pero sayang to. So kung bakit ito namatay. My back. Ayan. Kahit pa paano, nalinis natin ng konti itong herb garden. So, ayan. Kung aalis ako ng Pilipinas, may nagsabi, hindi ba tumutulong ang asawa mo sa hindi po siya plantito. Once in a while, pag maisipan, yes. Pero you cannot expect him to do it religiously. Lalo na pag summer, kinakailangan mo talagang magdilig ng daily. Pag vegetable nga, twice a day pa ako. At least nalinis na to. I cannot do more than this because I have a bulging disc. Ang hirap nang talagang tumatanda kung ano-ano yung lumalabas na nararamdaman. This is the smallest part of my garden. So I cannot do a lot in one time. So next time gawin naman natin doon sa main vegetable garden. Kaya pong work yan. Kaya ko itong gawin in one day. Kung hindi sumasakit yung likod ko. Dati I was able to do it like alone in one day. Magpungkal at kung ano-ano pa, magdamot, kung ano pa, with no problem. Especially nung first time akong nag-garden dito sa bahay na to mula na binili namin, is dami kong mga tanim talaga. But 3 years after, nag-umpisa ng masakit ang likod ko. And yun nga, may mga stones, bulging disc, kung ano-ano na. Yan. Meron kasi kung minsan yung na ano ang katawan, yung na overwork. Pagbata ka pa, like, you know, pagbata ka pa, you can climb the Mount Everest. Pero pala, may mga, if you're not doing it right, so, yung gano'n na nangyayari. Kasi diba, posture, pag hindi mo ginagawa tama ang posture, so, affected ang mga buto. So, able to clean the herb garden ko. It looks nice and cleaner na. Unlike kanina. See, nice. Oh, laki nitong blueberry na to. Hopefully, kailangan lagyan natin to ng ano, ng fertilizer para maganda yung bunga nitong blueberry. 4 yung tinanim ko, but this is the only one that survived yet. Napakalaki niyang puno. Kaya that's okay. Okay, so ito, nagpawis tayo ng konti. I have bulging disc. Kaya, hindi ako pwedeng magtagal na nayuko. Magano kasi sumasakit talaga. Parang merong sumasaksak na patalim sa likod mo. Actually, prior to me going home sa Pilipinas, 2 minutes lang nayuyuko ako. Magwawalis lang ako. Masakit na. Umuwi ako ng Pilipinas and the doctors told me here that hindi siya pwedeng surgery. Kinakailangan ko daw ng chiropractor, something like that. So, when I went home to the Philippines, nagpamasahe ako. No, nagpahilot. That's the term. So, nagpahilot ako. Actually, ilang kamay yung naghilot sa akin. 3 tao, no? 2 of them is maganda yung naging effect. Kasi nung hindi na lang 2 minutes yung kaya kong yumuko, naging 10 minutes na, naging 20 minutes na, naging 30 minutes na. Maximum na 30 minutes. Then, nung dumating ang asawa ko sa Pilipinas, so I was doing that weekly na hilot. And talaga ang laki ng ginhawa. Hindi po masahe, iba ang massage, iba sa hilot. Kasi ang hilot is talagang pupunta talaga sila dun sa masas mo, talagang ididiin nila yan. At yung mga lumang manghihilot, hindi mga albularyo, yung mga manghihilot, nararamdaman nila kung, alam mo yon yung, ewan ko kung kayo naniniwala. Excuse me, sorry. Naniniwala sila, I mean, nararamdaman nila yung pilay mo, o kung ano-ano. So, actually, asawa ng malapit ng kamag-anak yung naghilot sa akin, si Auntie Anita. Shout out Auntie Anita. Na talagang siya yung parang parang 4 times niya ako every week na hinilot. At talagang gumanda yung pakiramdam ko sa likod. Natigil yon nung dumating ang asawa ko kasi syempre we're going here and there. Naging busy. Kaya nakapagtrabaho ko ngayon sa labas ng at least 20 minutes na diretso yon at saka ko lang naramdaman yung sakit ng likod ko. I think na probably if continues yun na hilot, maybe I'll get better. Sabi naman ng mga professional, like therapist, isa na yun ng kaibigan ko, at saka sinabi rin ng chiropractor sa Pilipinas na nag-session din sa akin na ang bulging disc is caused by yung pagtaba, lalo na yung sa tiyan. So, yun ang explanation. So, parang sabi, if you lose weight, you're gonna like malilesen yung sakit or probably even go back to its normal state. So, yun ang sinabi sa akin. May nabasa ako sa comment na bakit mo sinabing parang nalito dahil sinabi kong single parent ako and yet I have a second husband. So, reality check po tayo. Ito is, hindi ako nambabash o wala akong binabash or hindi ko sinasabing masama ang aking asawa because kung masama siya, hindi niya dinala dito yung mga anak ko. Ang sinasabi ko, being a single parent, ang parent is a parent to the child. So, my second husband is not a parent to my child. So, I still consider myself single parent even though kahit I have a second husband kasi ito yung pananaw ko. So, since my son was like 3-4 years old hanggang 17 na siya, 18 siya when I have my second husband. So, from that period, talagang ako lang. Ngayon, single parent. But, I have my parents taking care of them kasi ako naghahanap buhay. So then, when I got married, second time, kahit pa sabihin mong meron kang asawa, kino-consider ko pa rin yung sarili ko na single parent because I'm the one working for him. I'm the one feeding them. What do you call this? Ang asawa kasi, so what if my second husband, let's say my second husband left me? You get my point? Like, what if my second husband left me? And then what? I'm going to be again a single parent after he leaves me to my child? So you see, yun ang point ko doon. Na ang kasama ko nagpalaki sa mga anak ko is ako. You know, they don't have a father. They grew up without a father. Now, when I have a second husband, father figure, but he's still not their father. If you know what I mean. So, hindi ko alam kung paano nyo dinidefine ang single parent. But single parent is single parent. One parent. Because the other parent of the child is no longer there. Okay. Step parent. Stepfather, stepmother. But I am still a single parent. Because you cannot consider na parent ang second husband because the second husband can also leave, can also go away. So then you have another third husband and another fourth husband. So you know what I mean? The parent is the parent to the child. Okay. So yon ang aking definition. Kaya I consider myself a single parent to my kids because I was the one who alone ang nagpalaki sa kanila with the help of my parents nung maliliit pa sila, with the help of my sisters nung maliliit pa sila. So, dahil may katulong ako, hindi considered ba na hindi ako single parent? I am still a single parent. So, yun. So, I don't know how you define single parent, but that is my definition of a single parent. So, I hope clear po tayo doon. Huwag po kayong malito. Yes, I consider myself a single parent even though I have a second husband. Okay? Meron ding sabi na hindi ko ba tinutulungan ng asawa mong magdilig? My husband works night shift. So, kung sino na ang nagtrabaho na ng night shift sa inyo, you would understand na pag uwi mo ng bahay, you don't want to do anything because your body is just tired. So, I know because I have worked also a night shift before. And kung ano lang yung importante, yun lang ang ginagawa ko pag uwi ko ng bahay. At saka meron mga plantito, meron yung mga plantita, hindi lang mga lalaki, kung minsan mga walang pakialam sa halaman, pati rin ang mga babae. I know a lot of people na wala silang pakialam sa halaman. So, bigyan mo ng halaman or let's say for example, bibili sila ng halaman, hindi mabubuhay. Because they probably water when they remember. And if they don't remember to water, that doesn't make them a bad person. Or that doesn't make them na hindi tumutulong just because hindi nila yun it's not a necessity for them. Like for my husband, it's not a necessity. What's necessity for him when he comes home from work, lalo na nung nasa Pilipinas ako, is to make sure there's food para kay Derek. He makes sure na there's water, there's bills are paid. Yun ang mga inuna niya, yun ang mga naging priorities niya. And at the same time, taking care of me kahit ako'y nasa Pilipinas. So, there are priorities. Kaya hindi ako nagalit nung umuwi ako na some of my plants have died. I cannot, hindi ko pwedeng, tawag nun, ano yung term na yun? Hindi ko pwedeng, i-demand na gawin pa ng asawa ko yung mga trivial things. Mas importante para sa akin is ma-prioritize ang mga dapat na gagawin kapag wala ang asawa sa bahay. You know, we prioritize things. That doesn't make the person bad. Only the person is prioritizing things. Kaya, imagine, mag-isa lang siya, cooking, cleaning, working at night, making sure na there's food in the pantry. That doesn't make him a bad person if he doesn't water the plants. You get what I'm trying to say here? Kaya, ayun po. But anyways, napansin ko na marami yung mga nagko-comment na probably because hindi nila pwedeng panoorin ang video, but they still support by saying comments. Ang ano nga lang, alam ko kasi na hindi ako pinapanood because, for example, sabi ko, good morning from Cherry Hill, New Jersey. And then, makikita mo sa comment section is, saan ka po sa New Jersey? So, okay, so if they watch the video, they would have known that I'm from Cherry Hill. And more other questions na obviously, they were asked, probably hindi napanood kasi nakadata lang, or hindi tinapos ang video, or nanonood and then they went to the bathroom, so may na-skip na eksena sa pinapanood na video, and that's fine. I try to answer questions as much as I can. So, hopefully, makasali kayo pag mag-live tayo, and then you can ask me questions and I can answer you direct. So, maraming salamat po. Please continue to support this small channel. Please share, please like, please leave a comment. And thank you very, very much po. Maraming salamat po.